Welcome to the new AI pin gimmick or game changer. Today, we dive into the latest tech sensation that's sparking a lot of conversations. In a world constantly evolving with new gadgets, is this the one that truly breaks the mold? We're asking the big question. Is this the end of smartphones as we know them? Let's take a closer look at what the AI pin is all about. The AI pin is a revolutionary device designed to be your personal AI assistant, seamlessly integrating into your daily life. Its core functionality lies in its ability to process information contextually and deliver real-time assistance. One of its top features is real-time translation, breaking down language barriers on the fly. Another impressive feature is its contextual search, providing you with information based on your surroundings and conversations. And perhaps the most futuristic, its laser display projects information onto any surface, creating an immersive, screenless experience. So why is this gadget suddenly everywhere? A major part of its trending status comes from massive hype generated by tech influencers and reviewers. The promise of a truly screenless future has captured the imagination of many. It's been a hot topic across major tech news outlets, with headlines speculating on its potential. However, it's not all positive. Let's look at the potential downsides. Privacy concerns are high on the list, given its always-on listening capabilities. Battery life has also been a point of contention, with early reviews highlighting its limitations. And, of course, the cost. Is the AI pin's price tag justified for its current capabilities? After weighing the pros and cons, it's time for our final thoughts. Is the AI pin a mere gimmick, or is it truly the game changer we've been waiting for? Now we turn to you. Would you buy one? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives and reviews. See you next time.